Smells like zoo.
Yeah, it smells really bad.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, how did they clean the bottom of that?
You have
get
a
it, yeah.
spoon like a donga, you know? You know what? You have a spoon, like a long handled spoon.
No, that's fine.
Oh.
Look out, look out, look out, look out, look out. Stop here.
Yeah,
You got him? Get it tight.
Oh boy. Oh, two of them. Is that? Oh shit. Well, that one is injured, right? They're very small.
Yeah, because they cannot move. Yeah, they cannot move inside there, so they just.
Yo, they're so small. Look at.
What's
Oh
it?
shoot.
The dead one. Just throw them out in the bag and let me show the kid. Don't take them in. See, that's a mongrel. That's big.
Oh, that's a mongrel.
Wait, there's one more? Or that's it? You got all?
I think there's one more.
Huh? There's one more?
I think there is one more.
We can check.